Okay, so I was thinking that this was going to be really quick and easy. I didn't realize how hard this was going to be. It's a car MP3 player, and it has a USB port. My daughter has an older Jeep, and it doesn't have that, so I got this for her. As you can see, it's a little more complex than I thought. I don't know why I thought you could just like slip it in and slip it out. Has remote control and all that. So we're going to take it to a place and have them do it, but I wanted to take pictures of everything before it actually went.
Alright, it's kind of dark in here. It's getting late. Let me turn my lights back. On. There's my door, but you can tell. I know I changed the LEDs, like I said, in my truck, match my radio. We'll turn the radio on here. Radio comes on, of course. There's a tune your radio. I just got regular speakers in here that comes with the truck.
Inspired by get-togethers
and
laughing.
There's your tuner, and there's BTON is your Bluetooth. You put on your Bluetooth, you scan down, hit the Bluetooth, and it'll match it up with the radio, and it'll work just right off your phone. The phone works with it. When somebody calls in, you can talk to the radio, and it goes through the phone. So everything works. The only thing is the facing of this. Sometimes it pops off. I glued mine back on in the sleeve, so it wouldn't pop off. And when I mounted it and everything, but that's what it looks like, and of course it matches my dash, so it's pretty cool.